It was expected, and it is expected. All channels, they say that all the psephologists have said it is above 370 or 375. I don't believe in this. We will cross 400 figure. What we have said, we will achieve. NDA will cross 400. Take it from me, granted. Next election, it will be 500. This is what the BJP says. Now 400, next election 500. So whatever the achievements done by Mr. Narendra Modi, the Prime Minister, people have acknowledged it. And once again, we are going towards the Viksit Bharat, the developed India. We are going to become the powerful country in this world. We thank all the public, all the Indians who have voted in favor of BJP.
In Tamil Nadu scenario, still, despite our Tamil leaders like Annamalai and others, consistently saying that BJP will be stepping here and get double digit. But all chances have been saying that 1 or 2.
No, actually, some 3-4 seats are being predicted after the exit poll. But we have to sit and see what has happened, and we will see. When I say that the exit polls gives us 370 and above, I say it is 400 above. So the same way in Tamil Nadu also, it will be more than, it will be doubled actually what they say. I think it will be doubled in Tamil Nadu. And the remaining seats also, we will surely work it out. When I say 500 for the next elections, BJP's tally in Tamil Nadu will increase in double.
And also the percentage of BJP vote share is increasing with what the exit poll is saying. What do you think about this?
Yes, we have worked very hard. Our organizational infrastructure has gone in leaps and bounds, and also the achievements of BJP and the welfare schemes have reached the public. So we all know that we are going to do very well actually, and in fact we will be crossing the 20% mark there, definitely 20% in the vote percentage this time, and we will look forward to a great and healthy, prosperous growth in Tamil Nadu.
What do you think about some channels which is being focusing on the competition between India Alliance and the NDA, but they have left ADMK?
See, actually speaking, ADMK was not that aggressive in the last 3 years, particularly against the DMK, and we were acting as the opposition in Tamil Nadu, particularly Mr. Annamalai, our young president. He has opposed DMK tooth and nail. So obviously the people who are really suffering in the last 3 years, and we have reached to the public. We have exposed the DMK's atrocities. We have exposed the DMK's failure, and we have exposed the DMK's corruption. So obviously people remembering, see, in Tamil Nadu, the anti-DMK is the mood always. Whoever is very strong opposing DMK, they come to the power. And BJP has done it and will do it, and we will be coming to the power. Definitely yes. In 2026, we are sure we will take the government in Tamil Nadu.
And one final question, this is on India Alliance BJP meeting in Delhi. What is about those things?
No, they have parties, so they are the India alliances. I don't understand what these alliances in West Bengal. Mamata Banerjee says India alliance is a waste. In Punjab, Arvind Kejriwal says like this. So where all you go, in communists in Kerala, see what has happened in Kerala. So they say it is an alliance, but we don't bother about those things. And in fact, I am really surprised how they are crossing 100 figure. I don't think they will cross.